Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and on this episode, we're going to talk about what's possibly my favorite altcoin, definitely my favorite gaming token, and that's Enjin Coin. And before we do that, you're going to want to hit that like and subscribe button to help the YouTube algorithm pump this out to more people. And what we're going to do in this video, just to let you know, is first we're going to show you the website and show you the changes they made to the website, which I like. I think it's good. And then after that, we will show you the price charts, show you what's been happening, how I marked up my chart, and why I think we could be breaking out very soon. So let's get into it right now. Let's go. Woo! All right, that's my trademark Ric Flair woo. All right, I get my face out of the way, and then we'll get into it. So one of the changes that I've recently noticed, and I don't remember exactly what it said, but one thing I like about their website is now it says NFTs you can earn and trade. Scan your first NFT, get your free NFT with your Enjin wallet, and then it shows all this. What are NFTs? It can be everything from gaming items and digital art to sports collectibles and real-world assets. Create, distribute, and integrate with NFTs. Trade rare and unique NFTs. Now I'm just showing you the site, and I'm going to explain why I'm showing you all this in a second. Create real world value while having fun. Showcase. The usability of Enjin's API is tremendous. We managed to completely integrate JumpNet before we even had to reach out to the team. Provided more than technology needed to integrate NFTs. So 2.3 million wallet installs, 1.17 billion created assets, 10.3 million marketplace volume. All right, here's the reason I'm showing you this, is because a few months ago, their website is very unclear what Enjin did. It mentioned NFTs, but it was just a bunch of jargon that only really smart crypto type people understood. Now, you can read this page. What is it? It's very, very clear that you need Enjin to integrate NFTs. That's what it does. I think that's very big because it clears up to the people that aren't very good at blockchain technology what it actually does, which is integrate NFTs. If you want to get NFTs going and you run a company, talk to Enjin, figure out what's going on, and this site will kind of get you on the line. Business user Bennett, boom, talk to us. What happens if you say talk to them? You can connect with them. Somebody from Enjin will actually talk to you about integrating this. The future of the digital economy. Non-fungible tokens have grown from a technical curiosity to $1 billion industry. They're changing the lives of millions worldwide and defining the future of the virtual economy. Want to help build that future? Let's chat. So basically, they're trying to make this as easy as possible for companies that want to get involved in NFTs to actually do it. Because a lot of people are like, oh, I should create my own NFT. They don't know what to do. It's hard. It really is hard. I looked into it. I was going to, launch I was going to make 10,000 NFTs. It was just an idea I had, and I looked into it. It's not that easy to do. You have to hire tech people. Like, you can't just do this yourself unless you're really smart and understand coding and advanced coding and stuff like that. So this is a way to do it a little easier. You can, I haven't emailed their team, but it'd be nice if you could just talk to someone on their team and they figure it out for you easy as possible. So that's what it is, in case people were wondering exactly what it is. Now let's look at the price charts. Oh, no. Yeah, I know. See, right here, I was calling for a breakout, and then it did break out. So it's not like I was wrong, but it went right back down. So now I'm going to move this line to here, and we're still looking at the same wedge pattern. We just really need to figure out what's going to happen here, because right here is major support at $1.20. Like, seriously major support is $1.20, because if it breaks down to there, the last hold is $1. And if it breaks down to there, forget it. Not good. So we need Bitcoin to come save the day again. I'll show you what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is all over the place, and this does not look very bullish. But if it breaks the upside, everything goes up. You've seen this a million times. I don't got to explain that to you. So we need Bitcoin to show some love right now. And if it does, this is going to fly. I mean, seriously, this is ready to like absolutely erupt. We get some good Bitcoin news. This is easily going to here. It's like almost a 3x gain. And I say easily going to here because, you know, if Bitcoin starts a bull market, this isn't that big of a problem. Here, you know, that's wishful thinking, maybe in a year or two, maybe even sooner. But I mean, if it breaks out of here, we're at least looking at least 230, which would be almost 100% gain. So that's the way I see it. We just can't go below this line. And you say, what is this line? I'll go all the way back here. So it's kind of been trending this way. Before it broke this line, this was more here, but it has not been cooperating very much. It kind of broke this line, but so I'm going to move the trend line to here. Not ideal. We really need Bitcoin to save the day right now. Really. If Bitcoin, you're looking at this 35,000 breaks below there, boom, we're going below 30. This is what the charts are telling me. So a little bit of a nerve-wracking time right now, but I'm just buying little by little. And not really insanely invested in crypto. I'm a little bit of a conservative investor. So as much as I would love to just empty my bank account, like right here, if it goes down to here, I just can't take the pain right now in my life. You know, like, you know, if Bitcoin goes all the way to here, I don't want to stomach a 50% loss right now. So not really pumping much more money into it, but I got my money on the sidelines from when I was selling everything here. Once it broke out of here, I sold like a quarter of everything I owned. So now I'm going to rebuy a little bit lower. I'm hoping a little bit lower to really spend that money. So we'll see what happens, but I think everything's really discounted. You're going to be making good decisions, in my opinion, because anything can happen in crypto, but I think that anything you buy right now is going to be worth more in a year. That's kind of what I'm betting on. But it is a bet at this point. It's not like the stock market where you could just, oh, it's down, it's a dip. Buy it because everything's been going up for 100 years. That's the stock market. Crypto, I'm a crypto enthusiast, but I'm realistic. I understand that this could be like almost worthless. It is more of a bet than the stock market. So keep that in mind. But I mean, it's a pretty good bet when everything could 3 to 4x in the next year, everything. And if it doesn't, it'll probably lose half the money. So the risk reward ratio is fantastic, in my opinion. And what I mean by that, just so you know what's going on, is like, so here's Bitcoin, right? I think the worst case scenario is Bitcoin goes to like, well, no, I don't think it'll go all the way there. I think worst case scenario is it goes to like, this isn't worst case scenario, by the way. The worst case scenario is here. But worst case scenario is like 28,000. That's still a big hit. It's like 30 or 40% right there. And best case scenario is Bitcoin. And this isn't best case scenario. Obviously, there's 10x's is like something crazy. You know, that's best case. Anything could happen, but it could double if it just goes right back to its all-time high and hits this trend line again. It could double pretty easily. And the thing is, you'd be like, oh, double, that's not that exciting. Yeah, but if Bitcoin doubles, things like Enjin Coin are going to 4x. You know, Solana will triple. Kronos will triple. You know, you just got to look at it that way. Cardano could quadruple, honestly. So, you know, we'll see what's going on with this, and just play the game. You always got to be investing. Always got to be watching these charts. Buy down here, sell down here. It's really that simple. People make it out like it's so much harder because you don't know what direction's going in. But If you're always buying when it's low and always selling when it's high, you're going to see your account grow. That's all I got to say. That is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed, and please hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining. Hope you have a wonderful day, and may all your crypto dreams come true.